Oh, hi there, everyone. I'm your girl, Norleen. It's Whimsical Wednesday, and I have for you another quick fix. All right, family and friends, welcome to my kitchen. Now, guys, today I will be doing corned beef. Now, in Jamaica, we call this bully beef, and I will be serving it with plain rice, corn, and avocado. So, for all who know me, you know that I live in the Turks and Caicos Islands, and here we call this dish the good old fire engine. Now, guys, I'm excited to show you my little vegetable garden. I have tomatoes and bell pepper and other vegetables. So guys, I've chopped up all of my vegetables and I'm ready to get on to the business at hand. Now guys, while I'm seasoning my rice, I will share with you the food for thought, which was taken from dailyverse.net, and it says, "But they that wait upon the Lord shall renew their strength. They shall mount up with wings like eagle. They shall run and not be weary. They shall walk and not faint." Isaiah 40, verse 31. And that's just my encouragement for somebody today. So, guys, I'm moving straight to my corned beef. In the pan, I have 3 tablespoons of olive oil. To that, I've added my finely chopped ginger and garlic, and I'm just going to allow this to flavor my oil while I stir fry this. To that, I've added 3 tablespoons of blended tomato sauce and a tablespoon of green season. I will stir this, guys, and allow it to further cook into the oil so I can get my oil flavorful. To that, guys, I will add my purple onions, my assortment of bell peppers and tomatoes, and I'm just going to stir this up and allow them to start cooking. Now, thanks to my friends who have shared my channel, and thanks to my new subscribers. As I said, I have big news for you. Guys, I want you to go on to the About tab on this channel. Click on the Facebook link and it will take you to my Facebook page. Click on the WhatsApp icon, guys. Send me a message, and the first 2 persons who send me a message will get a gift straight to your phone. Now, guys, let us up on over back to this corned beef. If only you could smell all this goodness going on in the kitchen at this time. I'm just going to stir in my vegetables into my corned beef so that the flavor can flavor the corned beef. And this is exactly how you want your corned beef to be, guys. A lot of you might not like corned beef, but I'm going to tell you something, people. You see that ginger something there and the garlic something there? Yeah, it flavors your corned beef. So, guys, to that, I've added 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm going to lower my flame, cover the pot, and allow the corned beef to cook for about 5 minutes. Now, guys, after 5 minutes, I saw the thing look it almost ready. I'm going to add to that some fresh onions and bell peppers, and then I'm going to add some black pepper and some garlic powder, people. Turn off the flame and allow the heat from the burner to finish cooking the corned beef, people. The fire engine ready. If you have not subscribed yet, guys, why not go ahead and press that red button that says subscribe. Then turn on your post notification bell so as soon as I upload a video, you will be notified. Follow me on Instagram at WIMMS2020 and like my Facebook page, Walking in My Mother's Shoe. Now, guys, share the channel with your friends and tell them to subscribe. See the people? There it is. It's another of my favorite from my pot onto my daughter's table. Fire engine at its best. I know you'd enjoy the time in the kitchen with me doing corned beef and white rice with corn and avocado, Jamaican style.